Look at that. Prancy. Yes. I like it. Go right around this way. Let me see. Yes. Perfect. I like it.
I've given her a good coat.
You know what, guys? I think I'm just going to get a car. I'm going to get a car.